Let's go check on that okra that I planted. This area we have okra growing. We have 3 varieties. We have burgundy okra, emerald velvet, and the Clemson spineless. So you want to check it every day for aphids. They pick up the aphids and move them around way up the stem of the okra. They'll carry them all the way up there. Sets them up there, says, "Get to work." Ladybugs eat aphids, but the ants protect the aphids. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a spray bottle.
That's him. That's Winnie. Yeah, he's my buddy.
Put it on a stream. This is going to smother their faces and kill them organically.
That's Winnie. Yeah, he's my buddy.
You want to shake the can to get it real sudsy. If you want a lot of suds.
Yeah, he's my buddy.
Buen provecho.
That's him. That's him. That's him. That's Winnie. Yeah, he's my buddy.